Hey everyone, Jay here, founder and creator of Tint. Just want to make this quick video on how to download your leads. This is a new feature as of May 10th, or sorry, May 13th of 2024. So if you end up on your dashboard, whether you're on your desktop or your mobile device, on your dashboard, if you scroll slightly to the bottom, you will see this section here. This is notifying you about your leads. I won't go further down because there are real live customer data at the bottom here. Um, in this section, obviously, you can see your ratio, the current conversion of customers from leads to booked customers. This is from Tintbolt just as itself without any extra work. If you want to increase your conversion rate, the best way to do it is to contact your warm leads. And in this case with Tintbolt, these aren't just warm leads, these are practically boiling hot leads. So all you got to do is click this button here. It will download onto your device a Excel sheet of all of your leads, giving you the most important information so that you can contact those people and see why they didn't book and get them to book right away. This can increase your overall revenue by thousands of dollars if you just have maybe a 10% increase in your conversion rate. Shoot for something like 40 or 50% and really see your business change. The money is in the follow ups. Have a good one.